things are must to launch your freedompreneur business. Hi, my name is Jessie D'Souza and I am a digital business coach for women, and I help women make money using skills, knowledge and expertise. And today I'm going to talk about the 5 important tools that you must have to launch your freedompreneur business. Now, you might have heard coaches saying that you don't need a gorgeous website to launch your business. I agree with that. But then, if you want to make that best impression and if you want to become a world class leader, world class mentor, then you got to have these minimum 5 tools with you to launch your freedompreneur business. So let's dive in. Number 1 is your personal branded website. Now, if you are here to sell your programs or consultations, then people need to relate to you, right? People are not going to buy from a faceless brand. They are going to look at you. They have to like you. Without liking you, they are not going to buy from you. So, when you start a digital coaching business or a consultation business, people want to know whether they can relate to you. The way you share your wisdom, the way you share your knowledge and expertise, they want to connect with you. So if they do not connect with you, they are not going to buy from you. So there is a saying that goes like this. People do not buy your courses or programs, people buy you. So if they like you, they are going to buy from you. So always remember that. And this is possible only through your personal branded website. So you have to have a personal branding, and your logo, your name, the website name, and the images that should speak the values that you believe in. And that is why personal branding is very important. Number 2 is your community. You need to have a strong community of people who are interested in your programs, interested in your services. So your community could be a Facebook group or a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group. So you can have all of these if you have the bandwidth to manage it, but at least one community you must have. Like I have a Facebook community, which is Freedompreneur by Design. Why do you need a community? Because when you have this community, it will help build that trust with your audience, and audience will be able to understand much better because they will be in a community where you are going to talk to them every single day and give more and more value. So this value based information is so important that it will make them feel that you are the mentor that they want to follow you, and then eventually they will buy from you. That is why community building is very important. Number 3 is any social media platforms. Okay, so you can go for either Facebook and Instagram or Facebook and YouTube. So whatever platforms you choose, see that your potential audience are there on that platform. So since we are not going to use paid ads, these social media platforms are very important to build organic traffic. The next tool is an email marketing system. So the email marketing system could be MailChimp or MailerLite or ConvertKit. So I use ConvertKit and I highly recommend that because it is the best tool out there, because it has superpower abilities where you can understand your customers every single step when they come into your community. So it helps them nurture them more and help them make better decisions at every step of the funnel. So that is why I love ConvertKit. And of course, MailChimp and MailerLite are free. ConvertKit is not free. I think it is free. They have a basic plan free. But if you are thinking to go for an email marketing system, ConvertKit is the one that you need to go for. The last tool is a platform like Teachable to host your courses. Now you need a system where you can give access to people so that they can use the platform and learn the courses, implement it, and get results, right? So you can't do it on your personal computer. You need a system, a cloud system where people can access from the comfort of their home. So Teachable is a tool that you can definitely use it to host your courses. So I would highly recommend Teachable if you're planning to host your courses, because it is very clean, very simple, and it is easy to use. So I am someone who looks for clean, fast, and easy to use. So I'm not for shiny features. So that is why I love Teachable. So if you love these tools and if you want to learn more about how to create courses using your skills and knowledge, then you got to join my community, which is Freedompreneur by Design. And inside my community, I talk more about these tools as well as how to create programs that will sell faster. And I will be putting the link in the description. So just go there and click the link and join the community. And I will see you inside the community. Bye.